Hello, welcome to Hyper Bikes. My name is Dylan. Congratulations on your new bike day. I'm here to give you some tips and tricks on how to assemble your bike and get riding. Today we're going to build the Hyper E-Ride Compact. First, we're going to remove all the packaging to assemble the bike. First, we're going to install the seat post. Make sure to insert the seat post until the minimum insertion line is hidden inside the frame, and use the clamping lever to hold the seat post still. If it can still move side to side, increase tension on the seat post by tightening the barrel adjuster on the side until the seat post clamp keeps it still left and right. Next, we're going to raise the steer column and lock it into place. Install the right pedal into the right crank arm. It will have the chain wheel on that side. It is normal right hand thread, which you will start with your hands, and then as it is fully threaded in, tighten with a 15mm open box wrench. Take your left pedal and thread it into the left crank arm. Note, this side is reverse thread and there is no chain wheel on this side. Begin by threading it to the left with your hands, and then finish threading it with your supplied tool. Install your frame protectors with a 4mm Allen key on both sides of the frame. If you need to adjust your rear brake, use the 5mm Allen key on the front and back brake caliper bolts so you can adjust it side to side. To increase and decrease tension on the brake cable and lever, use the barrel adjuster on the rear brake caliper. Secure the front reflector facing forward with a Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten it until it is secure. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure your rear reflector pointing towards the back of the bicycle. Tighten it until it no longer moves. The 36-watt motor can be charged above the rear fender, just behind the seat post. Use your supplied charger to charge from the back of the bicycle. To turn on your Hyper E-Ride Compact, press the power button. To turn on your lights, flip the switch to the on position. To turn them off, flip them to the off position. Before each ride, make sure that both wheels are secure with the axle nuts, front and rear, and make sure the tires are inflated to the recommended tire pressure listed on the sidewall of the tire. Make sure that the steering column is secure to the front fork by putting your legs around the front wheel and trying to twist the handlebars. If the handlebars twist, release the steering column down to the side and use a 6mm Allen key to tighten the steering column. You can fill out your warranty card at the back of the manual. Your serial number will be located underneath the bottom bracket of the bicycle, and mail it in to the address provided. Thank you for joining us today at Hyper Bikes. If you have any questions, please give us a call at our toll-free number and we can help you out. Now go enjoy your bike.